Alright guys, we made it to Nashville. Where are we gonna go? The car show? We made it to the game terminal. We'll see y'all when we go inside. Take this out. Oh. They're so good. What the heck? He's scared. Me driving the new whip. Hi, girl. Wait a minute. Is that Luigi? Is it Luigi or Luigi's uncle?
No, that's Ziggy.
Oh, it is Ziggy. I look like Luigi.
That's memory.
So the one with this?
No. She's the one with the splash.
The splash?
With the egg.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, yeah. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, take me to...
Go to memory. I want to see that memory.
My memory's too good. Okay, the police officer, no, the robber. Robber. Oh, I wasn't even looking. Oh my. Okay, reach at her. Hey guys, if y'all ever in Nashville, y'all should definitely come to this place. It's called the Game Terminal. It's free for people over 21, and if you are under 21, you have to pay $10. I mean, it's good. A lot of games. Y'all should definitely come try it. We made it to Rome. Is it Rome? I don't even know where this is. The Colosseum? It is the Colosseum. No, it's not the Colosseum. It's I forgot what it is. So what's your thoughts about the Colosseum?
Pretty cool. Feel like I could build it myself though, you know.
Okay. What about you? What's your thoughts about
The
that?
interesting fact is that the Russians built it in 1642.
The Russians?
Yeah, so it's pretty cool in my opinion. It's also the architect.
It's not the Romans?
No, it's the architect behind this was Gustav Liberty. The
Oh.
same architect behind the Statue of Liberty. That was actually
Gustavo from Ratatouille, right?
told me it was a real one.
Yo, oh, it's the real one? Oh, it is the real one.
Look at it, it's smaller. that's part two. And it's not in ruin.
We made it to the hotel. Look at them brain rotting already. What the? Get off your phones. It's somewhat of a view. Guys, I'm overstimulated. There's so much vehicles. Like, it's kind of crazy. Oh, look at this one. Look at that. Oh my. GTR. Guys, I found the car. Guys, I know what I'm gonna get with my tax return next year. I'll get this guy right here. Dude, I'm telling you, what the? Oh! A GTR! It sounds a lot better, actually. I just signed up for the drifting. It's kind of scary. I'm gonna ride the Corvette. Oh my gosh, no! Russell, get out the way. Drift in the Corvette. I know, but I'll probably just have it here. Adrian already did it, which is kind of cool. How was it?
Cool. It was very cool. Best experience ever. Must try again. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I'm kind of nervous. Maybe it feels like a roller coaster. We'll see. Your car overheated? Yeah, the car overheated. Oh no, it overheated.
This is more of just a hobby. Hobby? I love this shit.
Bro, that's good, man. I see why you enjoy it. He locked me inside, man. He wants me to go again. I'm gonna get this right here. Water?
Water? Yeah. We got water in the car.
Yeah, but I always get water.
Where's the steaks at? There's no steak. I got una cerita.
Tired.
My eyes are burning.
Yeah, it smells like smoke too. Smoke. Oh, sauce is burning.
That channel that.
Waffle House is so good though. We finally reached the hotel. We're gonna go to Nashville tomorrow and see what we do. Outfit check. Trip for today. I was messing with the mic, so I don't know how it will sound, but yeah, I got a new mic. It's pretty cool. Guys, I forgot to update the vlog, but we are back home. How's this new microphone? It's pretty cool. We'll see how it is. We'll try to use it a little bit more. And maybe for the next one. Oh, actually, for the next vlog, we have something pretty cool. So we'll see y'all. Peace. We are always running for the thrill of it.